Big dog, small dog, medium dog.
Fella. Right.
Little fella? Oh, he's not too
No,
bad.
not bad.
Chris come out for a little cheeky fish. And Joshua has painted my boat. Look at the squid.
Black's way cooler.
It's even hanging from. Look at Oh my god. These boys are determined, aren't they? They're determined. Look at this. Look at this. Calamari tonight. Another size of this squid. That's a big squid. Crunchy as. Not very healthy, but and it tastes pretty funny. So they're the rings. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautifully inside. Just a bit of mixture. Roll him up. Just like that. Mrs. Happy. I don't know, but Chris come out for a little cheeky fish. And Joshua has painted my boat. Look at the squid.
Black's way cooler.
It's even hanging from. Look at Oh my god. There's shit everywhere. But the good news is, we got some meat. Look at that. Hey! Well, and the day's just gone off calm. We came out because we can't work in the rain, so we thought we'd fish in the rain and got some, put our wetties on, came out. Joshua.
Yeah, mate.
What is
Man, why it's so boring for me? I like black.
Oh my god, everything's just...
Raymond taught me in a special way.
Anyway, show you what's next. Hopefully not that again.
Mickey's on.
A nice big dog. Now what we're doing is, I'm holding it out there for Jaden to get his jig down. So he goes down near mine. Make the other ones a bit angry, hopefully. I'm just on here. I'm only on by one tentacle. Try and get away from the boat, Josh. You don't want to repeat, mate. It came off, look at that.
How lucky is that?
It just came off. If we would have pulled that up, that little dog would have got off. Anyway, we're getting there, boys. We're getting there. Nice more squid. Okay. Oh, there's one squid over there too. Yeah, good, nice. These boys are determined, aren't they? They're determined. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Look. Oh my god. Another squid over there. Got him. Commotion everywhere, mate. When this goes, this is commotion. I just want again, you know, teach these young kids how to fish. It's not a very big one, but you know, it's a squid. What are you boys doing?
Not much.
Is it a squid? It's not seaweed, is it? No, it's a squid for sure.
Seaweed.
Hey, is it a big squid or what? Thanks, mate. I'll go and get another one. Good to see it works. That's a jig I'm using, just a new one. Look at that. Good jig, that one. Look at that. And it gets big dogs, look at that. J-dog, see? Gets all the dogs. Oh, oops, sorry about that. Oh, did I get
Yeah, put the net right on.
So, I'm on again. What are you guys doing?
Chicken in the wind.
Yeah. You know, so, gotta teach these kids, you know? Gotta teach these kids how to...
Just make sure you delete all the footage of us catching the squid.
Gotta teach these kids, yeah?
We haven't started turning the GoPro on the set. He started catching them, mate.
Another squid. No.
You're going to bring it in today
you guys,
or tomorrow?
what are you guys gonna eat tonight? Oh, man.
I got steak and shadow. Yeah.
There it comes. There it comes. He's only a little fella, but he took it very hard. So he's, you know, punching above his weight, he was. There he comes. There you go, little bloke. That'd be nice to get that. There he is. Medium size, not too big. Good for squid rings. Very nice.
No wonder you catch all these things when
hey?
you're on the camera, on the rod, on the...
Look at that. Hang on, I'll just get another one. 1 second, guys. Hold your horses. Oh, here he comes from the depths. This big dog. Here he comes. Here he comes. Don't lose. Oh, you lose him.
I lose
You
him.
lose him.
Damn,
We're never gonna get him back. That's where jealousy is a curse. Jealousy is a curse. Chains on. It's a miracle.
Can he keep it?
Can he keep it? Textbook. Get out of here.
Oh, what are you doing, Mick?
Oh, I'm just filming. I'm busy filming you guys.
The kid's
There's
taking the whole dog.
Hey? Right up in the air. Big dog, small dog, medium dog. Little fella? Oh, he's not too bad. Keep going. Keep going. He's like me, short and fat.
What are you doing, Mick? Oh,
Well, I'm doing filming. I'm catching that squid in the net. I'm bloody driving the boat.
That's how you had the fucking GoPro last. You left him in the water before you put him in the
He's alright, eh? Like him.
That's the bottom, eh?
Yeah,
bro.
Keep smoking that shit.
Yeah,
bro.
dude. Oh, man, he just got his tentacle.
Super fear, mate. Back up here. Longless. Another one.
Oh. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jaden's on again. Josh is on again.
Shit.
Look at that. Josh is on. Rod's bending. Jaden's on. He's right here. Oh, don't force it to water us. There's a nice one, mate. Hey, I'm on too, look. Oh, look at that.
It's got a nice little bubble going. Looks so dark and blue.
Look at this. There he is. Here he is.
Not bad.
Here he is.
Oh, you've only just got his tentacle.
Oh, you just got him, eh? Yeah.
Oh,
He's only half hungry. In the net. Not bad size. Not bad size. Oh well, that's the end of our swing though, Josh.
yeah.
Not bad, eh? A little cheeky.
Spread your legs, please.
So yeah, we're heading off home. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. And hit the bell so you know when the next episode coming out, which is every Sunday. See you later, Onsky. Onsky from J-Dog and Big Horse.
Hey, mate. Yeah.
Power down. G'day, guys. There you go. Well, we'll do calamari tonight, a little bit different. One big dog. Look at that. I'm just going to make rings tonight, like that. And then I've got oil just heating up. And I'm going to do a crunchy calamari in a wrap. I'm just going to cut this bit off here. Just shit. And then just going to make some rings like that.
Big ring.
Doesn't really, oh yeah, big ones. Alright guys, so what I've done is I've cut the aquarium up. Look at the size of this squid. That's a big squid. So this is just straight corn flour. In we go with the corn flour. Coat the calamari well with the corn flour. This is the batter. So it's a cup of water. Yep. 1 egg. There we go. That goes in. And in this batter here, there's salt and pepper already in there. Some baking powder, which is around about, I think, 1 tablespoon, I think it is, in here. And we're gonna make up the batter. Now, if you want to make it lighter, you can actually put more water in, so I'll just try it out. So here we go. There we go, in there, like so. Use a fork. Oh, you know, this is there. And you basically just coat it like that. Make sure it's totally coated. All right, so what I've done is straighten the corn flour, not plain flour, just straight corn flour solution into the plain flour and corn flour solution with the baking powder, yeah, salt and pepper, and a little bit of water, yeah, which is 1 cup of water. So, and 1 egg. But it comes out quite thick, so if you want it thinner, yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go and try it out, see what it's like. The oil's getting like quite warm. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit of, this is my garlic oil, which I've done roasted garlic oil in the oven. Just gonna have a little bit in there, adds a little bit of flavour, just a little secret that I do. And then I get the little calamari, and I'm just gonna put that in there like so. I'll see how it coats up. Now it should cut up pretty good, so it's cooking up good. So I've got mainly it's vegetable oil, a tad of extra virgin just to give it a bit of, you know, flavour. So I'm just going to see how that goes. Coat the calamari in the batter, let it sink in. Use this thing here, little spider, and you just turn him over like so. Look at that. Done. Get a plate with some absorbent towel. So anyway, while the oil's very hot, and then in she goes. I use a fork because using tongs and stuff is good, but it just sort of grabs a bit more of the batter than you need, and that's what we don't really want to do. So let's grab like so. There we go. Drop it off, and in she goes. Making sure they stick together. There we have it. So we keep doing that for a bit. So what I'm going to do then, so I'll do the next bit and then we'll come back. We've got a bit of bread. They're part cooked, but still they're a bit hard. So what I'll do is I'll put them in here. A bit of olive oil. This is my little garlic oil that I make, you know. All right, so just little quick pan fry with that one. Beautiful. Look at those little dogs. Actually big dogs. So keep saying little ones with the big. Crunchy as. Not very healthy, but you know what I mean. And it tastes good, you can't eat. So, I'm just gonna pan fry this off a little bit. Now what I've made in between, I just made this little sexy little tartare lemony mint sauce. It's a bit of a, you know, unusual thing, but it's just nice. Very good. A little bit of yogurt. Nice. So I'm going to put that on top of the calamari with the salad and this and that. Now this is on a bubble, see, like this. So it's ready to turn, so you don't overcook it. Because otherwise, if you overcook it, what happens is, when you go to roll it, it won't roll because it'll crack and, you know. So they're the rings, look at that. Beautiful. That goes there. This is ready to come on. Nice and warm. Now this is just greaseproof paper. You can use L4, you can use whatever you like. But you see how it's browned off? It gives a bit of moisture to that, so it's not so harsh. So look, it's all cooked all the way through. Beautifully inside.
It's yummy.
So just put them on there like that. Sauces first. So this is that mint, yogurt, and tartare, I think it was. A little bit of, just a bit of a mixture. I'm gonna put that on top first, like that. Then I go for the tomatoey. Then I get a bit of salad, put it in like so. Just throw it on top. So you get a bit of everything there. That's what you really need. And then you just put it together. So, and then roll him up. Just like that. Din dins ready. Just fold it over so it doesn't come out the bottom. Like that. Get a plate. This is happy. Alright, there you go. We're going out for a cheeky fish today. I've got just me and the Gaz man. So we come to this spot. Apparently this is Ray's new hot spot. So Ray's fishing over there. Way over there, I don't even see him. Alright, look at that. Look at that. We got some fish. Look at that. Jewy. Put bait on. You got jewies. Oh. That's a jewy. These are tuna circle hooks. So I put them on because when I fish, I'm trying to film and fish and drive and catch fish for everybody. I don't know, you know. Got a drowning seal. Oh. Here's a good one. It's a big one. Here's a good one, this one. Right in the basket. Thanks very much for coming. Bigger the bite, bigger the fish. That's what I say. Nice. Look at that specimen.